How y'all doing today? Continuation at Weaver Stonehouse Farms of putting in the dual electric fans on a 2006 Chevy Express 3500 one-ton that didn't have them. So, can you see that? So that's the fan kit, right? Got it? Okay, so what we did is we got fans out of the junkyard, out of a 2005 Chevy, fit them in, and right now we're just doing splices. So ended up, now the reason getting them out of the junkyard is to your advantage. Have them get the electrical plugs, because the ones that come in the painless kit didn't fit. I don't know if you can see that. They're clearly different. So they're not going to fit. So then to make this, because this is a high amperage draw, so what you want to do is strip enough wire back and then go ahead and solder it together. I just loosen these wires up a little bit. I don't go nuts with it. There's probably a little bit better way to do it than I do it, but... Yes, dear. Okay. Perfect. So then what I'm going to end up doing with these... I'm going to see about how much I need here to cover it. Okay, right there. This is heat shrink tubing. Okay, heat shrink tubing. Yes.
A baby frog.
A baby frog. Awesome.
No, she's the baby frog.
Alright, so then what we do here is we just shove the tubing on. Cute frog. Shove it over top.
Say bye-bye, baby froggy. Bye. I'll put him back. That's okay.
Okay, so then all I'm doing here...
Washer and the soldering iron.
Okay.
Oh, you're giving an apple a
Okay,
ride.
right here. So what I'm doing here, it's always a zoo around this place. That's why an old friend of mine, Mona, always called her place the zoo. So then I just push them together, and then I just turn them a little bit. How hot should you get the sausage, Mom?
165.
Okay, so then take that. That's together. Now I need to clean this up a little bit because the kids have this. I miss Radio Shack. This is just an old Radio Shack piece. And then just go ahead and get your solder. A little bit on there to get it started. And then just lay it on there. And it'll run down off. Okay, that's covered. It's literally that simple to get it covered. So that one's in. Hold that, Kens. Okay. Take this. Put them in, and then I just twist them a little. Then just a little dab of flux over top of them. Okay, soldering iron. Dip it in the flux. Hi, Molly. It's all right. That little Molly. Hot one. Okay, that should do it. Again, unplug this. All right, stick this up here so Molly doesn't get burnt. Put that somewhere so Molly doesn't get burnt. And then all I do is I wipe them off a little bit. Get the flux off because flux is acidic. And you have a good solid connection that is not going to come apart on you because it's in a high heat. It's in an environment where it's going to get a lot of water on it. And then just heat shrink. Literally that simple. And then I'll just go ahead and tape those up and fit them in. But there you go, connectors for your Chevy, soldering them up. I hope that helps you. Weaver Stonehouse Farm.